J to the A to the Y to the N to the A. It's J to the A to the Y to the D to the A. And today we're doing the unboxing of the iPhone 8. Ready?
iPhone 8.
8. Okay. So this is our old phones.
Well, I just did get my little.
It's my phone is gold.
My phone is silver.
And we both got black iPhone 8s. So So we So it's like this little paper at first. This iPhone 8. Oh my god, it's so cute. Y'all, it's a glass back. Y'all see that?
Open this.
I don't even want to go over the case. Oh my god. It's so new.
Oh my god. Oh, I can see myself. Can I see myself in the back? I can see myself!
Y'all, it's like a...
Let me hear the difference.
Y'all see how this is, I don't know. It's like a glass back. Like, it's so cool.
It's like the same size.
Yeah, it's the same size.
It's so much prettier.
But it's so cute.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So,
and then it comes with a charger or
a base.
it comes with a base, charger, earphones, and then the earphones have this thing, an adapter in it.
Oh, mine was there. It just wasn't attached to the back. Y'all, I'm so happy.
Yes, my dad hooked us up. Alright,
So,
well, we use our same cases that we had on the other phone because it works the same.
this is the iPhone 8, and this is the iPhone 7.
Dun, 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 dun. Alright, let me turn this on.
Yeah, let's turn it on.
See, I don't see the difference.
Oh, let's turn it on. Yo, it really got like a glass back. Like, I think I really like that. Even though I'm not even going to barely see it. I can see myself.
Yeah.
You scared me. What? I can see myself in the back of my phone. That is so cute. Hola. Hello.
Mine just says English, Expano, Chinese, whatever.
So, I guess we're going to set these up. And then we're going to
Press
get back to you
English.
guys.
It's working. Got all my stuff on it.
Y'all,
this is amazing. I really have nothing left on this one. I have everything on this one.
I don't have any of my contacts.
Cause she wanted to
Or any of my messages. Because my storage was horrible on this phone. So I was always running out of storage. So I decided just to start all over. I really don't care. You can always get numbers back.
Yeah.
So we have to reset this phone. I have to reset that phone. I'm going to just go through it to make sure there's nothing that I need on here. And if not, I'm going to go ahead and reset it. I think I have to reset all my stuff. Everything's pretty much the same. My phone's really dry right now. I have none of my apps. Now we're gonna try out the camera. Ooh, baby! Look at this camera, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is so clear. Like, it's really clear. The front camera is really clear too. Let's take a picture. So it's so clear. And what else should we try out on this?
That was it about the thing.
That's really it. The camera's really clear. And it's still one thing or whatever. And it's a glass back. If you...
The base looks different.
It's a glass back.
Oh, it's just something on it.
See that, y'all? Y'all can see the camera through the phone. So we'll be posting a video on Monday or Tuesday. We don't know about Sunday. we're not posting a video on Sunday. We're posting a video on Monday or Tuesday. Also, don't forget to go comment on the giveaway video because we will be giving away and telling you guys the winner pretty soon.
Look at this clear phone.
And yes, thank you guys.
To the end
Ready?
of the world.
Come on. Like, comment, and subscribe with our new phones.